ब्रिटीश अल्पवयीन स्कार्लेटाच्या 8 वर्सां पयलीं गाजिल्ल्या खून प्रकरणांतल्या दोगा दुबावितांक 23 सप्टेंबराक भुरग्यांच्या न्यायालयान पुरावे नाशिल्ल्यान निर्दोश सोडिल्ले। ह्या प्रकरणांत आतां न्याय मागपाक स्कार्लेटाच्या आवयन प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीक पत्र केलां। ज्या दिसा हें प्रकरण घडलें ताच्या 20 दिसां उपरांत केसीचो FIR नोंद केला। त्या वेळार राजकी फावर आनी पुलिसांनी सारको तपास करूंक नाशिल्ल्यान केस वीक जाली। स्कार्लेटाक कोणी मारलें आनी कोणी पुरावे नश्ट केले ताची चवकशी जावची म्हण स्कार्लेटाच्या आवयचो एडवोकेट उलयलो। आर्डेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान सुशील शुक्ला।
People who have actually caused the delay in the investigations and who have provided time to the criminals to destroy the evidence. I cannot identify those people in detail, but I do know that the person responsible for the Anjuna police station at that point of time was Nerlon Albakar, right? And the person responsible to immediately hand it over to the CBI at that point of time was the Chief Minister, Mr. Digambar Kamath. Now, whether the delay has been done by the Chief Secretary or somebody below him, all that only an investigation will find out. The delay regarding hiding of the crime by other people, police officers from the Anjuna police station, that an investigation will find out. We know that this has happened. Now, who is responsible for it? An investigation can only confirm. As a mother of a girl, I mean, I do not know how many of you are parents, but if your child has been murdered by people, what you want is just justice. You're not really concerned with the process. Now, the existing process of an FIR and a normal process perhaps might not do the job. They have ensured that a substantial amount of time has passed. So, whether it should be, there are so many options available to the central government in terms of such kind of incidents. They will decide upon themselves. That is their decision. But what Fiona would like is justice, to find out who killed her. Because as of now, the investigating agencies have done a 400-day investigations. They have charge-sheeted some people. 8.5 years later, the court says they are not guilty. So the point is, if they are not guilty, then who killed her? Why could the investigating agencies not find out who killed her? That is the point. She wants to know who killed her, who destroyed the evidence, and who supported the people in the destruction of the evidence. That is what she would like to know. They are simple questions. Now, how to sort of respond to that in a crime is a duty of the state. Right? So, I would not go into the procedural aspect that they must file an FIR or they must do this.
Do you think now you have written this letter to the Prime Minister, this will do something?
I hope so.
Hope so.
Okay. Faith again in the judicial system, but it might, the next step might be good. You can only pray, can't you? For justice.
Do you feel that you will get justice even if CBI challenge this order in a High Court or Supreme Court?
I don't know. I can just hope and pray that we get justice. That's all I've wanted from the beginning. From the beginning, I wanted the cover-up investigating because it was part of it. Without the cover-up, without the policemen helping these guys to destroy the evidence, they would have probably been caught. And probably been charged with murder and rape, and not culpable homicide. I wanted the murder charge in the beginning because that's what I feel is the truth.